Come on, Woodpecker, get down on the boat. Come on. Come on. Come on, get down on the boat. Oh, come on. There's two of them. I hear one of them in the tree, and there's one on the fence. There's the other one right there. Over there in the tree, here comes the squirrel back now. Squirrel run the bird off. Dang, I tell you what, I got bit about 5 times today, this morning. Got my hands itching, they're killing me, I can't stand it. Mosquito bite hurts me real bad. I'd rather for a bee to sting me. Or wasp, I'd rather for a wasp to sting me. I don't swell up if a wasp or a bee stings me, I don't swell up. Now a hornet, I swell up a little bit, but it still don't hurt like a mosquito. All right, that woodpecker got run off. He'll come back. I'm gonna go back inside, and I got a couple of things to do. I'm just looking to see if I can see the bird in the tree somewhere. He has not gone far. All right, squirrel on the thing up there anyway. All right, stop this video, stop.